So we're certainly down a little bit in the meme coin sector and in crypto today, but with Solana recently popping up over $200, I do think there are some meme coins on the Solana blockchain that have staying power. Now, obviously, we've got the big dogs up top, right? But there could also be some diamonds in the rough. And in today's video, we'll take a look at the overall market. We'll take a look at the meme coin sector, and we're going to spotlight a particular meme coin on Solana as well in this video, guys. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe down below if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. Let's dive in here and take a look at the overall market. But before we get into that, we're going to spotlight a Solana meme coin that launched on July 11th. So it's been out for almost 2 weeks now. And it's hovering right now just below a $3 million market cap. It's only been as high as around 10 million at the peak. And that was on day 4 where we wicked up to that level. We still closed well below it. But we have seen some Solana meme coins make some noise with the market coming back. Solana right now just under 190, but we were up over $200 yesterday. Nice little pop in the ecosystem. And obviously, you know, you got your top tier memes, Dogecoin, SHIB, Pepe, Bonk on Solana, Pudgy, Fartcoin. There's some big Solana meme coins. WIF is still up here, still comfortably over $1 billion market cap. So I do think, you know, these ones in particular have some staying power, but there could be some very interesting opportunity in some of these smaller cap plays like Moon Doge. So I like this from a couple standpoints. It's simple. They're not trying to do anything crazy here. The liquidity is still pretty solid here at 257K, given that it's a $3.7 million market cap right now. And they go through how you can get in. I like that they've got different options: Apple Pay, Visa, USDC, Salana, or even Venmo. You can get into it. So they're definitely catering to the normies. There's no buy, no sell, 1 billion supply, burnt liquidity pool. Those check a lot of boxes for investors. We mentioned their liquidity, which is solid. And they're not trying to be anything special here. They're just trying to be a cool meme coin, right, that captures some attention. And obviously with meme coins, guys, when you're investing in meme coins, you're gambling, right? Like you're just going all in, you're YOLOing. You never want to risk it all, right, with any kind of meme coins. Now, I've built out some bigger positions in some of the top ones, but, you know, plays like this are interesting if you can catch the wave, right? And in today's world, I mean, meme coins going to 10, 20, 30, 40, even $100 million, it's not out of the realm of possibilities. Like we used to freak out when meme coins got to 10 mil, right? We used to go nuts when meme coins would get to $10 million. Not so much anymore, right? So Moon Doge is interesting from a couple different standpoints. Obviously, it's utilizing kind of the whole Doge narrative, going to the moon, DeFi gravity, fight alongside Moon Doge, leave your mark on the moon. The battle is live and legends are made in the chaos. And you can actually contact them. I like that they actually have an email address. So what I would tell you is hop into the Telegram, join the community, see if this could be one of those diamonds in the rough. Now, I've personally hit on a lot of meme coins. I've also lost on a lot of meme coins. And I want to make that point very, very clear. This is not financial advice. It's entertainment. And especially when we talk about meme coins, which I never shy away from, but I always educate my audience on what these are, right? This is not the same as investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, the main chain, etc. Meme coins are a particular sector of the market. And for me, what I do is allocate about 10%, you know, to really risky plays. And that's where some of these things come into, right? But with Solana back up over 200, we should see, and if that continues, we should see the rise of some of these meme coins that are built on Solana. And it's definitely become the degen chain. So maybe Moon Doge can get back to its $10 million level, surpass it, get to 20 or 30 mil, and you might be able to find a diamond in the rough, take some profits along the way, and win a trade, right? Like that's how you have to look at these sort of things. So again, happy to partner up with this meme coin group. And hey, these guys were super cool, super legit, super transparent. So happy to put some eyes on the project to kind of see what this thing does. over on Salana. Again, sitting right now at a $3.8 million market cap. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check it out in more detail. Thank you guys so much for watching. And real quick, before we get up on out of here, I do want to tell you about my free newsletter. Come on over. There's a link down below in the description for that too. It's totally free to join. You're going to get this 3 times a week. It's all about building wealth in crypto. A free newsletter 3 times a week. We're going to start it up in August, but sign up now. Get ready because that first edition is coming out soon. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.